Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 1, Matter and its composition. In this video, I am going to explain you, dear student, about the topic states of matter. Matters are generally found in three states: solid, liquid and gas. So let us know about three states of matter. First, solid. How we can define solid state? The state of matter, in which atoms are closely packed is known as solid. Let us see few examples like table, chairs, bricks, etc. So dear student, see the definition. The state of matter in which atoms are closely packed with definite shape and volume, known as a solid. For an example, table, solid in the solid form. Chair, bricks are in the solid form. Let us understand solid form of matter with the help of the arrangement of atoms. So dear student, pay attention here. This is the solid state in which atoms are, dear student, you pay attention here. Atoms are closely packed. Atoms are closely packed, dear student. There is no space between the two atoms. Dear student, you see the arrangement of the atom. There is no space between the two atoms. So the state of the matter in which atoms are closely packed, it forms solid state of the matter, dear student. Solid state of the matter. In the solid state of the matter, atoms are tightly or closely packed. There is no space between the two atoms, and this state of the matter is known as a solid. Next, liquid. So we can define liquid. The state of the matter in which atoms are atoms are loosely packed. Loosely packed is known as liquid. Known as liquid. Dear student, you see the definition? The state of the matter in which atoms are loosely packed. The state of matter in which atoms are loosely packed is known as liquid. Let us see the example. Example like water, milk, oil, etc. Let us understand liquid state of the matter with the help of the arrangement of atom, dear student. Please pay attention. You see here, in the liquid form, atoms have space between them. You see here, between the two atoms, there is the space. Between the two atoms, there is space. Dear student, you can see here, between the two atoms, space is here. And the space between the two atoms is known as a intermolecular space or interparticular space, dear student. So in the liquid, atoms are loosely packed, dear student. Also you can see the arrangement of the atom. Arrangement of the atom, you see, between the two atoms there is the space. And this space is known as a interparticular space or intermolecular space, dear student. So the state of the matter in which atoms are loosely packed are known as a liquid, dear student. Known as a liquid. Okay. Next I am going to explain you about the third state of the matter known as a gas. Known as a gas, dear student. Known as a gas. Let us see the state of the matter. The state of the matter in which atoms are very, very loosely packed is known as gas. Let us see the few examples like air, CNG, LPG, etc. So dear student, state of the matter gas. The state of the matter in which atoms are very, very loosely packed. Very, very loosely packed, dear student. And this state of the matter is known as a gas. Let us see the arrangement of the atom. Arrangement of the atom, dear student. Here in the gas, there is enough space between the two atoms. You can see, dear student. This way the arrangement of the atom in the state of the matter gas. Between the two atoms, too much space is there. And the space between the two atom is known as intermolecular space or interparticular space. It is known as a intermolecular space. So dear student, the space between the two atoms is known as a intermolecular space or interparticular space. So dear student, the three states of the matter are solid, liquid and gas. So I hope you must have understood it. So please read the topic and learn the definition with the example. Thank you dear students.